subscribe us.
Have a nice time. I hope that you all are fine. Thank you for your appreciation and feedback comments on YouTube. I have read your comments and emails, or you have asked for some proper professional course with step-by-step guidance so by following that we can work as virtual assistant on Amazon. So, I have decided to fulfill your demand, and with that I bring good news that today is our lecture 01 of professional training course of Amazon Virtual Assistant. I will try to cover all the details in lecture yet. First of all, let's start with introduction of Amazon. Many of my fellow countrymen are confused about whether we sell products on Amazon or well buy them. First, let me tell you that Amazon is just like a shopping mall, like many other malls in your cities. If you talk about Lahore, you have Packages Mall, Emporium Mall, and Amana Mall. If you go to Karachi, there are numerous shipping malls there as well. In fact, all the metro cities have shopping malls. There are brand shops in those shopping malls for selling of respective products. Just like that, Amazon is e-commerce platform where we open our shop and people go there and buy our products, and that is how sale and purchase chain started. So, this concept should be clear in your that Amazon is a platform where we sell our products. Yes, there is also buying on Amazon, but being a Pakistani and working from Pakistan, purchasing is not allowed yet. You must have known when I started my YouTube around 1-to-1. 5 years ago we used to tell that you cannot work on Amazon from Pakistan. You must have your friend or relative in a country from where Amazon selling is allowed. So, what people used to do was they collaborated with their family on profit-sharing partnership by using their details to sign up on Amazon. So, there was dependency of overseas friends and relative to make account and open our shop. The good news is from May 2021, Pakistan is added to the list of countries that are allowed to open shops on Amazon. In short, there is no dependency or any favor required from any of your overseas friend or relative. By staying in Pakistan and using local details, you can now open your shop on Amazon. Now the next question would be, sir, in which mall on Amazon we open our shop? For example, there is a shopping mall which has branches in different countries, where we should open our shop, and what will be the benefit for us? First, you need to understand that being a Pakistani, Amazon has allowed shop opening, that is account registration, in specific regions. For example, you can open your shop in North America, which means you can sell in Canada, USA, and Mexico. Just like that, you can open your shop in European market. For example, if you sign up your account in UK, you can sell in Germany, France, Italy, Netherlands, and many other countries that comes under Amazon Europe region. Next in line is Middle East. Amazon does not allow Pakistanis to open their accounts in Middle East region. But, if you are living in Saudi Arabia, or in Dubai, you can sign up your account by using that country details. This doesn't mean that Pakistani cannot open their account in Middle East. Pakistani can open account in Middle East only by using Middle East details. Now you would ask that, sir, you have been talking about these details again and again. What exactly these details are? These are your contact number, banking details, and utility bills. We will discuss these in detail later. First, you must understand that in which regions you are allowed to open your shops on Amazon while living in Pakistan. As I have already told you that you can open it in North America and Europe, and if you move towards Pacific Asia, there is Japan and Australia. The most famous market where most of the people work is of USA and UK. But now these markets are saturated, so you can start your work from relatively small market where you would require less investment. All of these things, how much investment is required? What to sell? We will cover it all in this training series. Now you know that where Pakistanis are allowed to open shop and sign up account on Amazon. That is number 1 North America, no. 2 Europe, no. 3 you have 2 countries access in Pacific Asia. Fine, we know the areas where we can open our shop. Next is, how many types of shops are there? What types of accounts are there on Amazon? What kind of selling options does Amazon provide us? Let me answer all this for you. Amazon has 2 types of selling plans for us. Number 1 is individual selling plan and no. 2 is a professional selling plan. Let's understand these 2 plans first. In individual selling plan, once you sign up on Amazon as an individual, on that account you are now allowed to launch your brand, which is called private label. You must have heard a lot about PL, like PL course and other things. It means you cannot launch your brand on individual selling plan. So, what can you do on individual selling plan? You can attach with existing brands and sell their products, which is quite dangerous work. Should we do it? Well, you will have that clarity later in the course. Right now, I am just explaining you about individual selling plan. You cannot sell your brand, you have to sell existing brands only. After that, there is no subscription charges, but Amazon will charge a fixed amount on your every sale. Hope all is clear till now. Let's move to professional selling plan. If you sign up with professional selling plan, what will you get? First, Amazon will charge subscription fee of $39.99 per month whether you sell anything or not. This $39.99 will be converted in PKR and you will be charged accordingly, and if you are in Europe, it will be converted into their local currency. So, till this point you are all clear on that. Amazon will charge you monthly rent of $39.99 per month for just opening the shop. What is the biggest benefit? Benefit is that you can launch your brand. Well, you can launch your brand, is that all? No, it is not. Other than this, you can also sell existing brands. So, what I am trying to say is, if you are planning to work long term on Amazon, then you should sign up your account under professional selling plan. Now the next question would be, does professional selling plan means that we have to register company? Let me clear this point. Under professional selling plan, there are 2 more branches. First, individual account, and second is business account. I am talking about individual under professional plan, not about individual selling plan. Individual selling plan is separate, as you cannot launch your brand there. Right now, we are talking about professional selling plan, which has individual and business accounts under it. If you sign up by using your personal details like your name, contact number, bank details, personal bank account details, then this will be called individual account, which is under professional selling plan. You will be charged $39.99 subscription per month. Next question would be, can we launch our brand on individual details? Yes, you can. And the next question be, if we can launch brand under individual plan, then why we need business plan? Well, the benefit of business plan is, it is easy to get trademark. After trademark, you will get brand registry on Amazon, and after brand registry, nobody can steal your sale or your brand. Nobody can have claim over your brand. In short, your brand is protected. That is why we use business selling plan. We use business account under professional selling plan. But being a beginner, if you ask me, I would suggest that you don't have to register your company now. Instead, you should sign up on individual selling plan and start your account. I hope that you have understood everything. How many types of accounts are there? First, individual selling plan. Second is professional selling plan. There are 2 more sub-accounts under professional selling plan. One is individual account and second is business account. You can create individual account on your personal details, and business account will be created by using your registered details of company. Like if you have registered a company in Pakistan, you will use those details. At any time, you can switch your individual account into business account and vice versa. Also, at any time you can upgrade your individual selling plan to professional selling plan. Take good care of yourself.
Subscribe us.